To clean the shells, I have some simple green, a lot of Q-tips, and to clean the wood part, a wood polisher. So let's see how it works. So I figure I'd get started by dipping each Q-tip in some simple green and scrubbing each shell. Now, mind you, this doing chime is probably 20 plus years old. I can remember when I was young at my meme's house, being out on her porch and looking at these beautiful wind chimes. I loved them. When she passed away, I wanted to add something of hers, and I think this is the perfect thing for me to breathe life into. Now, doing this with each shell took me probably an hour and a half, but I needed to do this before I did my next step, which would be dipping it in some bleach and water. Now we're going to use this thicker Q-tip here to clean off the bamboo part. I just dipped it in some simple green and wiped each surface, and it worked pretty well. So we got a little bit of bleach and water mixed, and we're just gonna let it dry here so we can clean the strings a little bit. We're gonna dip it in bleach a couple of times. Okay, so it's already looking better. We might do one more dip. We're gonna just dip it in regular water to clean most of the bleach off. I don't want the pieces to get ruined, so we're just gonna do that. It'll rinse them good. Now we're going to take some Old English wood conditioner, and we are going to dip the Q-tip in that and replenish the wood, or bamboo I should say. I am so thankful I get to keep this and give it more life. I'm sure my meme would want it that way. Thank you for following along. Don't forget to like and subscribe.